Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. A good time to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for giving me a chance to say something about myself. This is Abdul Rahman in front of you. Basically, I am from Patuakhali, but currently I am living at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. Now, I am a student. Recently, I have completed graduation in Standard University. Now, I am doing basic class IELTS course at English Fantasy. Actually, I am a sports lover. I love to play football because football is the most popular game in the world. In my free time, I love to spend with my family, because family is my first priority. If I get a long vacation, I like to travel with my friends because I can share everything with them. I dislike to smoking and wasting time, wasting money, dry food, etc. My future plan is go to USA in higher education. My next goal is to get a good result in IELTS. Thank you for listening me patiently. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.